some llamas. I'll go slow by them so you can get a nice, see those alpacas. Hey, what you looking at? Hey man, hey, what's going on, llama? Look at me. Hey, look at. I don't know. Buongiorno, my friends. Buongiorno. Naked Bike Mike back with you again. Hopefully this works out. The last 3, maybe 4 times I've tried to do a new vlog, I got several different issues. First one, the audio recorded, everything was fine, but I did it with a separate audio recorder, and it, for some reason, when I put it in the editing software, it just kind of was an hour and a half, and is that a cop? Who knows? Hour and a half, and it cut it down to 13 minutes, so I could not use it. Second one, I don't know if the GoPro media mod wasn't plugged in correctly, so all I got was wind noise. This one, hopefully it works. So I guess 3 different times. This is at one time, I don't know, there was several different tries, and it was very aggravating. You go for a ride. I had some slightly entertaining content, and it's there, it's not there. The video's there, but the sound's not there. The sound's there, but the video's there. I don't know. One way or the other, they're both screwed up. They're all screwed up, so I'm trying it again. It's 47 degrees here on a Sunday morning. I'm wearing my first ever leather suit, one piece, overkill for the street. Yeah, I don't care. So what? So what? I don't care. Look like a douchebag. Ooh, whatever. I don't care what you think. Or maybe I do. I don't know. Do I? But I go off there, and I want to thank Graham at Moto Corsa for helping me out, getting me sized up, giving me some good equipment, some good gear here, getting me all safe and protected. There's some pumpkins. It's that time of year, my friends. It's a pumpkin time, and I'm just gonna zoom. I'm gonna zoom all over the place here with my stuff. Pumpkin patch. I just filled up my tank with some pumpkin spice fuel. I can smell it. It's a nice air freshener effect, you know, as you're riding. It smells like fall, autumn, however you want to call it. One of the 2, 2 of the 3, 4 of the 8. Numbers everywhere. And yes, pumpkin time. It's fall time. It's pumpkin patch, pumpkin spice. I got some pumpkin spice pickles. Got some pumpkin spice. What else you got? We got pumpkin spice everything, man. I don't know where I'm going. I was going to turn there. I think I'll go straight. And yeah, I got the first service done on this beast, so the chains are unleashed. Unleashed, my friends. No more restrictions on the revolutions per minute. None of that. So the full sound and beauty of this motorcycle can be experienced. The sounds and the sights of fall in the Pacific Northwest. Watch out, buddies. was saying before, I got the full leather. I got the Laguna Seca 5 perforated leather jacket, or leather suit, I should say. It's a little snug, but it's not too tight. It's a nice fit. It's snugger now because I have the thermal underwear underneath it, because I thought it was going to be pretty chilly. When I got up it was 43 and now it's 47. At the sun it's getting a little bit warmer, so and yeah, I'm wearing the HJC RPHA Pro 11, whatever it is, yeah. And let me go this way. And I got the chin mount. I got the updated chin mount. They came out with a new one. The old one was a little bulky or whatever. But I got the new one on here, and I cannot see the camera. I cannot see it, so it's kind of freaky. It's like I gotta keep checking to feel if it's there, because it's gonna fall off. Hopefully I'd feel it. Hopefully it doesn't. That would suck. They're going over to, I don't know, it's a Willamette, Clackamas, one of the two. I think like a Willamette River. Up the hill. Still getting used to the feel of this soup. Can't tell if this visor is closed all the way. Hopefully there's not too much air problems going on here. My wind noise, because that would suck to go four trips trying to create some kind of video that can be watched and not have anything to show for it. The full beauty of the Acura system here in the early morning hours of the Sunday. You can hear the full wheels. Just checking it out. Just getting the feel for it. It really starts to pull around 9,000 RPM. Really feel it. Wants to kick you off the back of the bike. Pretty intense, you know. I'm surprised I don't have any vehicles in front of me. Typically, this early in the morning, you got, or this point in the morning at 9:30. You got peoples. Oh, there's one. There's one. Not in front of me though. That's okay. Chill out here a little bit. We got okay. Tone it down. Take it down a notch. That's what I gotta do. Oh. Let's see if I can slow down here. You can't really tell. It's a lot of haze out there, but you can see the mountains. I can see Mount Hood out there, but I don't know if you can see it. They got the pumpkin patch over here. Lots of pumpkin vines going on. Waiting for them to sprout out of those things. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you do. I'm up to 500 subscribers. Be 501 if you're not already subscribed. Click the like, click the dislike, whatever you want. One way or another. Either you like it or you don't. Make a comment if you want. And we'll see you next time here on the Naked Bike channel. Arrivederci, ciao, goodbye, my friends. You're all my friends. My friends. My friends are so different. I feel as there as life without a loneliness.